Developments in AI. The journey to understand if machines could truly think began much before John McCarthy's first academic conference. 5 years later, Alan Turing wrote a paper on the notion of machines being able to simulate human beings and the ability to do intelligent things, such as playing chess. Let us take a look at some of the milestones in the previous century. 1950 to 1960. In this decade, two major contributions were observed. In 1950, Alan Turing submitted a paper about the possibility of creating a machine that could think. This became a test for machines to check the thinking capability of a machine. One of the greatest achievements of Alan Turing is the creation of the bomb, a machine that could decode the encoded messages. In 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence in a conference held at Dartmouth College. He created the programming language Lisp, L-I-S-P, in 1958, which was extensively used to program AI systems. 1961 to 1970. In this decade, two new systems were developed which became a great contribution to the field of AI. The first chatbot, Alexa, was created in MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory by Joseph Weizenbaum in 1966. This is what it looked like.
1971 to 2010.
In 1973, Wobot was created by Ichiro Kato and constructed by Unimation. This was the first step towards building a humanoid robot. In 1984, Wobot 2 was created at Waseda University, which was the successor of Wobot 1. It was capable of playing a piano. In this period, Deep Blue, created by IBM, defeated the then reigning chess world champion Garry Kasparov in 1997.
In 1990s, AI technology was successfully established with many successful attempts like Kismet, a robot developed by Professor Cynthia Breazeal, could recognize and simulate emotions with its face.
Honda released a Simo, an artificial humanoid robot, in 2000. In 2002, iRobot released Roomba, an autonomous robot vacuum cleaner that could clean and was able to avoid crashing into obstacles. NASA's Mars exploration mission in 2004 was a robotic space mission involving two Mars rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, to explore planet Mars. Google developed a driverless car in 2009, and by 2014, it passed Nevada's self-driving test. 2010 to present. This was an era of revolution in the field of artificial intelligence with the following developments. Kinect. Microsoft launched Kinect for Xbox 360, the first gaming device that tracked human movement using a 3D camera and infrared detection. Siri. Apple released Siri in 2011. It uses a natural language user interface to infer, observe, answer, and give recommendations to the users.
Cortana. Microsoft released Cortana in 2014, a virtual assistant similar to Siri. It is being deprecated in the spring of 2023.
Amazon Alexa. In 2014, Amazon created Alexa, a home assistant that is a smart speaker functioning as a personal assistant. Sophia, a humanoid robot. In 2016, Hanson Robotics created a humanoid named Sophia. Google Home. Google released Google Home in 2016. It uses AI to act as a personal assistant, helping the user remember tasks, create appointments, and search information by voice.